Hello, in this video we'll talk about King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals, Deanship of Graduate Studies. So we can see here eligibility first. Please make sure you are eligible to apply. Check clicking the application button at the bottom of this page and satisfy the following. Basic application requirements for master's program. 4 years of bachelor degree you should have GPA of 3.0 or higher in the scale of 4.0. Average GPA should be 2.5, scale of 4.0. For non-scholarship applicants. For scholarship applicants, you should have average GPA of 3.0. Basic application requirements for PhD program. For PhD program, you should have a master's degree after 4 years of bachelor degree, and then you should have a minimum GPA of 3.0 in the scale of 4.0. Basic application requirements, you should have a bachelor's degree of 3.0 and at least one course in basic requirements are MBA, at least one course in college level calculus which cover both differentiation and integration. Minimum requirements, you should have be sure you scan copies of following mandatory documents in PDF, and then along with the mandatory documents, be sure you have name and email addresses of 2 referees. It will be asked during online application, and then if you don't have them, please prepare and come back later. Mandatory documents, you should have a copy of identification like passport or your national ID card, complete official transcripts, 2 letters of recommendation, statement of purpose, and passport size photos, CV. Additional requirements may be shown during the online application system for specific programs. So it depends if in which program you're applying, then maybe you will see additional requirements as well. Now here we'll see which programs they are offering. For example, for masters and PhD we see so we can see here there are Masters of Science in Aerospace, Applied Statistics, Architecture, Business Administration, and then Business Studies, Finance, Management, Marketing, Chemical Engineering, Chemistry, Civil Engineering, Computer Science. So you can see all these programs which they are offering. You can also take a look like this. For example, if you want to search here School of Computing and Mathematics and graduate search, then you can see here Masters of Science in Computer Engineering, and then Masters of Science in Computer Science, Doctor of Philosophy in Computer Science. If you want to see in physics, for example, engineering and physics, then you can see here Masters of Science in Physics, Doctor of Philosophy in Physics, PhD and Master programs that they are offering in physics. Also we can take a look here back. Dean of Scientific Research Scholarship. So you can also take a look here the scholarship as well. Deanship of Scientific Research and also research institute, the research institution, and how you can apply is we can go here and then just click here apply. And then if you are a new user, first register, and then after you register, then you log in and submit your application. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section. Take care, bye.